Have you ever felt tired even after a full night's sleep? Or noticed that your body stays tense, like it can't truly relax? For many people, the real problem isn't just stress, it's a lack of magnesium. In today's review, we'll explore magnesium glycinate, one of the most effective and gentle forms of magnesium available. Stay until the end to learn how it works, its main benefits, and one mistake that can make it almost useless if you don't know it. Magnesium is the fourth most abundant mineral in the human body. It supports over 300 biochemical reactions, from muscle contraction and nerve transmission to energy production and sleep regulation. But not all magnesium is the same. Magnesium glycinate combines magnesium with an amino acid called glycine. This unique pairing helps the body absorb magnesium more efficiently, while also calming the nervous system. Unlike forms like oxide or citrate, this one is gentle on digestion. That is why it is known as the gentle magnesium. Most magnesium supplements are hard for the body to absorb, and some cause stomach discomfort. Magnesium glycinate stands out because it is highly bioavailable. Your body can actually use what you take. Glycine itself promotes relaxation, focus, and better quality sleep. That makes this formula perfect for those who deal with stress, muscle tightness, or restless nights. It's gentle enough for daily use, and one of the few forms that supports both body and mind. If you want to check the trusted version I'm referring to, I've added the official Amazon link below so you can read verified reviews and see if it fits your wellness routine. Let us break down the key benefits people report with magnesium glycinate: better sleep and deeper rest, less muscle tension and cramps, calmer mood and better focus, support for healthy blood pressure and heart rhythm, balanced energy throughout the day, stronger bones through calcium regulation. Some research also links it to better insulin sensitivity and migraine relief. It's not a stimulant, and it's not a sedative, it simply helps your body find balance again. The best time to take magnesium glycinate is about an hour before bed. You can take it with or without food, it's gentle enough either way. Avoid combining it with calcium or caffeine, as they can reduce absorption. Some people pair it with vitamins D and B6 for even better results. As with any supplement, consistency is key. Take it daily for at least 1 to 2 weeks before judging the results. Now for the pros and cons. Pros: high absorption, gentle on digestion, promotes calmness and better sleep, and it is non-habit forming. Cons: results take time. There are possible medication interactions, and it may cause mild drowsiness if taken too early. Let's answer some frequently asked questions. Can I take it every day? Yes, but check with your doctor if you're on medication. Will it make me sleepy instantly? Not instantly. It supports calmness over time. Can I take it with food? Yes, it's gentle enough for that. Magnesium glycinate isn't a quick fix, but it is one of the best ways to support calm focus, better rest, and long-term balance. If you'd like to learn more or read verified reviews, check the official Amazon link below. It's the same trusted source I recommend. Try it for a few weeks, stay consistent, and see how your body responds. Because sometimes the smallest minerals make the biggest difference.